Hi guys, and welcome to the channel again. I know it's been a while and it's great to be back doing the readings on the channel. I thought let me record some quick readings for each star sign just to get us back into the groove of things. I know I've been away for a while on this channel. It's because I was giving my attention to my other cooking channel, Love Extra Cooking. I'll put the link down below so you will get that. And I thought, what better way to start the new half of the year, because the solstice is coming up on the 20th, 21st of June. So it's winter solstice in the southern hemisphere and the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. So we're going to get right to it and pull up some cards for you. And we'll start off with Aries and go down the line from there. So let's get started. Hi, Capricorn. We're doing your solstice reading and your energy reading for the next 6 months. It's really great to be doing Capricorn because I think whenever I start readings, I sometimes begin and I'm not quite sure. It might be an Aries thing. If I've gotten to Capricorns, I'm very happy to do that. And let's go ahead and begin your reading, Capricorn. I have many. Oh, you have a bonus card. So you have abundance straight off the bat. You have intention. Then we have celebration. Nice. Oh, sorry. The third card was surrender and release. Then you have celebration. And I picked three cards for every star sign. But for you, I just was drawn to pick a fourth. So beautiful cards. I'm drawn to blue energy. I have a lot of friends, family, and clients recently that have come across with Capricorn. So I'm very excited to do Capricorn today. Abundance energy right off the bat. Capricorn is one of the star signs ruled by a planet to do with career. Um, so it's really, I think it's, I'm not sure, but I think it's Pluto. And that is always creating abundant energy. So abundance seems to be right up your alley. Capricorn is a cardinal sign, so you're a natural born leader, and putting your time, energy, and focus towards your finances, not only others, helps you create the abundance in your life. And remembering abundance is not just wealth, but also time, energy, resources. Sometimes you might receive those without having to do the work or the create the wealth to get that time, get the resource, get the energy. So remember when you do get those or gifted those, that in itself is abundance. Thereafter, we have the intention card. So remember over the next 6 months, especially at the beginning, to set the intention for what you wish to create in this 6 months coming up in the solstice energy, over the winter and spring in the southern hemisphere, and over the summer and fall or autumn in the northern hemisphere. Set your intention of what you intend. So I intend to create a garden. I intend to exercise more. I intend to exercise 3 times a week. I intend to create profit in my business or a salary raise of $10,000. I don't know. Pick a number, $1,000, 1,000 of your currency. Pick a number, set it into intention, speak it into existence, speak it into power. And let go, surrender and release after that. Don't not be attached to it. Don't be attached to your goal or manifestation, but do the work, do the actions required, focus to achieve it. Have some equanimity, I'm seeing. Let go, right? And it will be drawn to you magnetically with the magical energy, riding the wave of the 6 months. I see it much more magical, much more flowing energy than the first 6 months. The first 6 months was a little bit of work for most. In terms of energy wise, the energy was building. I mean, 2025 is already a numerologically great year. It adds up to a 9 year, which is a lot of transformation. It's endings of cycles, beginnings of new ones. So, in and of itself, the first 6 months was a little bit of work of doing that. But the last 6 months seems to be this energy gliding down, going with the flow, going with momentum. It's already the energy you've created of doing the work, and now it's time for the energy to shift and just move forward because you've already created the work, the momentum to glide it forward. Hope that makes sense. And then that'll lead to celebration. You're the first sign, sorry, to get this card of celebration, of happy endings, happy beginnings, and it's just a lovely joyful energy. I mean, our hands are facing up. I don't know, I think I did pull this for one of the earlier star signs. I did that reading the day before. So it's again a beautiful energy of reaching up to the moon. The moon energy is all about suspense, mystery. But I think in this time, you're going to be clear, you're going to know what you wish to create. And looking at that waterfall, it's again drawing me to that energy of things just gliding down, falling to place, gravity taking over, things moving in the flow, moving direction. The last part of the year, especially for you, Capricorn, go for your dreams, go for your goals. Remember, I hope that helps you for your solstice reading. And remember to comment down below with what your goal is, and make sure to begin creating them and having fun, most importantly of all. So comment down below with your dream. I hope you have a magical 6 months, Capricorn. Enjoy it and take care. Bye. Hi guys, so happy solstice again, and I just wanted to share with you. I was sitting outside, and it's today is the solstice, and 20th June, and it looks so magical with the orange shade. It almost looks like the lights touching the earth, and I'm near the sea, so it looks like, in Brother Bear, when the lights touch the mountain and it's the solstice time and it's this magical energy. Well, it really feels magical, and I just wanted to capture this moment and share it with you with your solstice reading. So let's see if I can change the camera over. Okay, there we go. You can see the orange sunset just beginning to happen, and I love how it just touches the edge of the horizon of the ocean. And there you can see it, the waves with the orange lights. It's just really beautiful, and it looks really magical at this time of the solstice. So here we go. Just sharing that with you. And I hope you have a great solstice, a great year, and a great rest of the 6 months until the next solstice. So remember, the day and night is equal in the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere today. Beautiful energy, and just enjoy the energy, guys. Take care. Bye.